75% of birds die every year because of neglect in the U.S. If you could sparrow us some change, you could bring that number down to 0.
This is Ed. He's a budgerigar parrot. As much as we hate to do it, if you don't adopt a bird today, we will have to put one down. Ed has 32 seconds. If you would like to save a bird like Ed today, then you need to adopt a bird right now. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, owning a bird sounds like such a burden. Well, you'd be wrong. Just look at what this happy customer has to say.
I got a bird because I didn't want to be out by myself. Owning a bird has been an exciting experience and one that I won't regret.
So throw your self-control out the window and order today. Help us quack the case of bird neglect by adopting now, for the low, low price of $19.99. Oh, Ed, it looks like your time is up.